Today we're diving into the features of the Chicco KeyFit 30 ClearTex infant car seat and base, designed for infants weighing 4 to 30 pounds. This rear-facing car seat is renowned for its easy installation, thanks to the SuperCinch force multiplying latch tightener, 2 bubble level indicators, and a spring-loaded leveling foot that ensures the proper base angle in your vehicle seat. It's also compatible with Chicco strollers, allowing for a seamless transition from car to stroller with a simple click, making travel with your baby a breeze. The ClearTex fabric is GREENGUARD Gold certified, meaning it has no added chemicals and contributes to healthier air quality around your baby. Safety is a priority, with the carrier shell aligned with EPS energy-absorbing foam for enhanced impact protection. Convenient features include a removable infant head and body support insert, a large canopy for sun protection, and a machine-washable seat pad for easy cleanup. With its thoughtful design and commitment to safety, the Chicco KeyFit 30 ClearTex is an excellent choice for parents seeking reliability and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.